test drive the 2018 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.